Hey friends, this is Aman Watts. Welcome to my channel. So I'll be talking about what is project management. We have been speaking so many things on project management, but let me tell you what the project management is. What is the difference between project and operation? Why do we call it project and so on? So the first thing, the difference between projects and operations. So if you see the picture at right side, this is a Panama Canal. When the canal was constructed, when it was under that construction, it was a project. So project was defined, government decided the budget, whole bunch of people started working. They had a complete plan available, target was decided, so many stakeholders are involved, cost was managed, so almost risk were managed. So and everything was done which is related with the project. So it was a project. But when it was completed and now it is being used by all many ships to cross from one end to another end. So this is in operation now. So operation is ongoing, project is temporary till it is completed. Okay. So these are some of the differences between project and operations. Very common question known to almost everyone. So just I'm explaining. The project is temporary, operation is ongoing. So I give an example of Panama Canal. Project is unique. So what you are doing activity today, it is unique. So till the time you are delivering something, it is unique. Whereas operation is repetitive. So every day ships are crossing. Every day the ships are crossing. But when they were constructing that, so bank was constructed, the gates were constructed. It was one time. Closes after attaining the objective. Once the objective is met, project is closed. Business continues. Operation continues. Prototyping the new car model. This is an example. If we are creating a prototype for the car model, it's a project. But assembly line installation, when the production started of that car, is an operation. So this is the difference between projects and operation. Now what is project management? So application of knowledge, skills, tools and techniques to accomplish throughout initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and control and closing. These are five stages, five phases, so you can call it. Using balancing constraint of risk, scope, quality, schedule, budget and resources is called project management. Let me repeat again. Application of knowledge, skills, tools and techniques accomplished throughout initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and control and closing. Using balancing constraint, scope, quality, schedule, budget, resource, and risk is project management. This is all about project management. Managing a project and project, what project is, I have already defined you. You are using your knowledge and skills and some tool techniques to manage the project is project management. Guys, subscribe to this channel and you will get daily update on topic related with project management and PMP. Thank you very much. Stay updated. Take care. Bye bye.